that's everything that's going into my healthy drink. I'm going to put the stuff that'll turn to liquid right away on the bottom. No, that's the top. So we'll put the spinach in. And the apples. The celery and the cucumber. And after I run it and it's smooth, then I'm going to add the ice. Because it's going to take up too much space. And as you can see, I just made enough to fill this up and hope that it runs without me putting any liquid in there. If not, I'll put like 1/4 cup of water to help it spin. Okay, here we go. Get that over here. Get it tight. And hopefully it goes the way I want it to. Now, as you see over there, 5 ice cubes. That's going to go in now. That'll chill it. And it feels cold. So I just made this recipe up. Peeling the celery is important, so you don't want that stringiness in there, and the apple also. And it looks fairly smooth. Now for the taste. I feel healthy already. I hope you enjoy it.